Bit meaty.
Right, hello.
Hello.
Welcome to another episode. Now, tonight I'm sitting there bored.
No.
So I was like, right, let's go find some bargains.
In the pissing rain.
Yeah. We live round the corner from Marks and Spencer's. Now, we like going in there. But we went in there, didn't we?
We did.
We had a good look up and down.
I was trying to get some bargains.
But I think we were there a bit too late, weren't we?
Yeah, let's go a bit earlier.
Everybody else has got in there. But I got some kippers. That's all we got.
Just because.
So just try, because I like kippers.
but
But
they
hit around the face
stink.
with wet fish.
Do you know how much they stink the house out?
Oh, I'll have them tomorrow.
It smells like something ain't been washed for weeks.
What's that then? Right, so we went to Marks and Spencer's. What time was it? About 20 to 8. Yeah, about 20, quarter to 8. And there was nothing there that weren't worth, so we got some of them. Anyway, don't worry.
We saved the day.
Yeah, we also live around the corner from a massive Asda, don't we?
We do, yeah.
A massive Asda, which I hate going in.
You
hate it.
You hate any shop. What are you talking about?
I don't mind Marks, it's tiny.
You still don't like any shop.
Right. So we've got a few bargains today.
We did.
A few yellow stickers. So
I got a really exciting one.
get them out, babes. Come on, get them out. See what we got.
Right,
What do we get then?
We've got Yorkshire triple pepper pork joint,
That's going in the freezer, can't it?
and that was £6 reduced to £4.2.
That's right, it.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
a bit of pork.
Yeah, keep it for the winter.
Yeah, because well, that'll be right up until Christmas.
Yeah, because you've got to
as
think
well.
about roast dinners, haven't you?
I love roast dinners.
All the time. That's why I'm so fat.
But don't lie.
Listen, before we met, I was so skinny.
So was
I looked, so there was nothing to you.
Yeah, but I was still so skinny. Now I'm just slim.
And now she's like, every time she goes into the kitchen, because our kitchen leads onto the front room, she's like, babes, I'm back crisps. I'm like,
No,
no, babes.
don't.
Yeah, you do.
Only at
Every
night
time you go out, you're like, do you want this, babes? Do you want that,
Well,
babes?
I'm just
or
checking.
you say, oh, babes, a little bit left. Do you want it?
I'm just checking so there's no food waste.
Yeah. And I go, no, babes, leave it. I'm a bit fat. 2 minutes later, we're in the kitchen eating it.
He'll eat it.
Because she mentions food
So
waste.
whose fault's that? His or mine?
Yours.
His.
Don't buy so much food.
Because he can't resist temptation. That's the one. Right, next up,
I'm fat because of her.
we've got British Sirloin Steak with wild garlic and parsley butter.
Yum, yum, now we're talking.
That'll be his. Oh, we'll get fat!
That's lean meat.
Was £6, now £4.2.
That's all right.
So-
Bang it on top.
Not bad.
What else you got?
Next, we've got a bit of porky.
Oh, yeah.
Porky sausages.
Pork sausages, yeah. How much were they?
£2.90.
There's only £1.10 off.
Reduced to £1.74.
But that's all right, because I like sausages, don't I?
You do. You eat a whole pack on Saturday.
I'm telling you that.
Sorry, it's half a pack. Next,
It's all coming out now.
he's got a cottage pie, which
Yeah,
I
it's
won't
nice.
eat, but it looks nice to be fair.
Yeah.
And that was £5 reduced to £3.
But look, it is extra special. Like me, apparently. Extra special.
You're extra something.
Yeah, no, but we could divide that up with the kids.
In other words, you're going to eat it.
No, I can't eat the whole thing to myself.
Yes, you can.
That's 1,014 calories.
You still can. Right, that's got proper like potato bits. Show them. Look. That's
Yeah,
like,
that's really nice. Got chunky bits on
That's
it.
a proper cottage
Because
pie.
I don't think I'd ever buy Asda special stuff.
No, it's
Oh, full, but I wouldn't pay £5 for that.
no.
No, chuck that on the hall there.
Next up,
Itchy nose.
wait, you said that in the last video.
Yeah, but I've got itchy nose now. Maybe it's a camera thing.
We've got 2 chicken curries,
Yum, yum.
and they were £3 reduced to £1.80. Again, it can all go in the freezer.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it can go in the freezer. Go a few times.
Yeah.
Build the freezer up with lots of cheap stuff.
So yeah.
Yeah, you know, what should do? Get out of it, Dennis.
Right, the last 2 bits we've got is
The
my
dog's hovering.
absolute favourite.
Oh.
2 legs of lamb.
Now, we've been looking for lamb for ages,
I love
but
lamb.
they were in nearly every shop. You've probably seen it yourself for a full leg of lamb, 28, 29, 30 quid.
Yeah, that's 27.66
Yeah.
reduced to 18.38.
18.38 each. That's a bargain.
Well, it is for the prices of now. I mean,
Nice set of legs.
nice pair of legs there. Bit meaty. Love lamb, so I'm actually so excited we got some lamb.
Yes, that's pretty good. I don't mind spending money on food, you know, like lamb. But at 30 quid a leg.
Oh, I wouldn't pay 30
It's
quid.
ridiculous, because only a couple of years ago, we were getting them for 16 quid for Easter.
Yeah, they were on
From
offer.
Tesco, anyone else remember?
Yeah.
Maybe 2-3 years ago, whatever it was.
Not anymore.
But they were really, really cheap.
So-
but you know, where do they come from? From New Zealand land as well. So they should really be coming from Britain,
But
shouldn't they?
they're always New Zealand.
Yeah, but they shouldn't be, because it's cheaper.
But anyway.
But it's right.
It
Should be
is.
buying stuff with a farm tractor on it, you know.
But it hasn't got a
British
farm
stuff.
tractor on it. Will you shush?
If it's £10 cheaper,
I've
so we'll
got my
take it.
lamb. I don't care. So I'm going to have a nice lamb dinner.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, what she doesn't understand is, something like that you freeze. You wait till it snows.
I'll freeze it and get it out the freezer next week. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
so the best advice is go to Asda about 8 o'clock. Loads of stuff in
Yeah,
there, weren't
yeah,
there?
to be fine. Especially Marks and Spencer. Marks and Spencer shuts at 8 as well, doesn't it?
I'd go about 6. for
Go,
Marks.
yeah, 6, half 6, and then you get the good stuff.
Yeah.
But we walked in there, the whole place has just been,
Ransacked.
everything's gone.
They're all
Ransacked, yeah,
gone.
that's another word then.
But
yeah.
Asda's one, the freezers were full up with reduced foods.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it was good, wasn't it? You have to do this. You have to go, when you get to the freezer.
does.
No, you've got to play it cold. What you do is, it's a double door thing. So you get in there like this, and then I had my anorak on my raincoat. You spread it a little bit.
It looked like an absolute weirdo.
Yeah, like Norman. And you hold the doors like this, and you look with your eyes. And you see all these faces pushing up. All these faces pushing up, trying to look in.
There was
Get out of it.
people waiting behind us to get in there when he's going through the old lot.
Yeah, but you got to do it.
You did do it.
Yeah, like that. It's mine.
God.
Yeah. Anything to save
guys.
£1.
Yeah.
Right, anyway, that's it. Just a quick one. On next video, I think we'll do some cooking.
Yeah, we don't know what yet,
Because
but
I enjoyed cooking. I learnt a lot, didn't I?
you shit at it, but yeah, we'll give it another
I ended up
go.
making a twist. I was good at that.
No. Right, but we will think of something else to cook next time.
Yeah. And we'll do it, I don't know when. Some
Don't know
point
when,
next
but
week.
in our next video. So we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
And hello to our new subscribers. Nice to have you on board.
Hello and welcome.
Base plate in the fridge, it stinks now.
Yeah, you stink. Bye-bye.
See you later. Bye-bye. Quick, get with the freezer.